feels like a dream, and I can't wake up. I want to be free, to sleep alone. I'm here in the dark, no I can't let go. I'm stuck in the restless, breathless, the end unknown. Another night with you, laying with your shadow. Another time with you, and maybe I will be alright. You're gone away just like the wind. I leave the window open so I can finally close my eyes. It's not easy to keep breathing when you've taken all the air from my lungs. Well, I wonder, am I stronger? Is it possible to sleep on my own? Is it possible to sleep on my own? When the morning comes that you'd wanna stay, you wouldn't go. But now that it's done,